Hi.
Can you help me name all the colors?
Yes.
Let's start with blue. B-L-U-E. Blue.
Blue.
Hello, JJ.
Hi.
It's blue whale. It's a blue tank fish. Can you tell me what color this is?
Orange.
That's right, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Hello, Yoyo.
Hello everyone, welcome to Yoyo.
Beautiful tiger. An orange fox. Can you tell me the next color?
Pink.
That's right, pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Hi, Cece. Look at these beautiful flamingos. Oh, little cute piglets. Cute. P-U-R-P-L-E. What color is it?
Purple.
Purple, yes. Hello, Bella. Purple, beautiful butterfly. Colorful purple bird. T-E-A-L.
Teal.
Yes, good job. Teal. Hi, Tom Tom. Another beautiful butterfly. Gray-tailed ducks. G-R-E-E-N. The color is?
Green.
Yes, green. Let's see who's gonna be inside. It's Cody.
I just fell and screamed.
Green snake. And a big crocodile. Can you tell me what color is corn and banana?
Yellow.
That's right, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Let's see who's gonna be inside. It's Bingo. It's cute ducklings. And a beautiful tall giraffe. Good job everyone, and I hope to see you again in our next video. Bye!
Oh no.
Oh no! Can you help them find the numbers?
Yes. One pink.
Can you count with me?
One.
2.
So big. 3. 1, 2, 3, and
Count with us.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Run!
Let's count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minutes go.
Can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Crocodile. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
Hopper.
Yes, grasshopper. Can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sun. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Run, rabbit, cat. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Motor. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay!
Easter color egg hunt! Can you help our little friends find the colorful eggs for our Easter animals? Yeah! That's great! Let's start with blue.
B-O-U-E. Blue.
Can you help JJ find these 2 blue eggs? Are you ready? Go! Good job, everyone! Next, we have color yellow.
Y-E-O-O-O.
Can you help Bingo find these 2 beautiful yellow eggs? Are you ready? Go! You're doing really great. Next, we have color purple.
P-U-R-P-O-E. Purple.
Can you help Bella find these 2 beautiful purple eggs? Are you ready? Go! You are amazing. You're doing really great. Next, we have color pink.
P-I-N-K. Pink.
Can you help Cece find these 2 beautiful pink eggs? Are you ready? Go! Well done! Next we have color green.
Green. Green.
Can you help Cody find these 2 green eggs? Are you ready? Go! Amazing! Next we have color teal.
Teal. Teal.
Can you help Tom Tom find these 2 teal eggs? Are you ready? Go! Amazing! Next we have color orange.
Orange.
Orange! Can you help Yoyo find these 2 beautiful orange eggs? Are you ready? Go!
Today, we're going to a fruity fiesta filled with tasty fruits and exciting adventure. Are you ready? Apple. Can you say apple?
Apple!
Apple. Banana. Can you say banana?
Banana!
Banana. Orange. Can you say orange?
Orange!
Orange. Pineapple. Can you say pineapple?
Pineapple!
Pineapple. Mango. Can you say mango?
Mango!
Mango. Blueberry. Can you say blueberry?
Blueberry!
Blueberry. Strawberry. Can you say strawberry?
Strawberry!
Strawberry. Watermelon. Can you say watermelon?
Watermelon!
Watermelon. Papaya. Can you say papaya?
Papaya!
Papaya. Avocado. Can you say avocado?
Avocado!
Avocado. Pear. Can you say pear?
Pear!
Pear. Grapes. Can you say grapes?
Grapes!
Grapes. Oh, what a fruity adventure we've had. Did you know fruits are like superheroes? They give us the energy and strength we need to conquer our day. So remember, kids, fruits for happy, healthy kids.
Thanks for watching our video and please subscribe. Next time you might watch a good one. Yay!